So I switch on the machine in the morning and the dreaded bottom red light stays on. Okay, this means I need to do a cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle disc is hidden in a slot inside. I pull it out. So I'm using common descaler that you find in any hardware store. This is for kettles, coffee machines and irons. It's the standard stuff. So I've taken out a sachet. I'm going to pour into the reservoir. There's enough water in there for a cleaning cycle. I'll refit the water reservoir. I find a jug big enough to take the water that's in the reservoir so it doesn't overflow, and then I start off the cycle by holding the button So now we have to do the rinsing cycle. So I've filled the container, the reservoir, with clean water. I've rinsed it out, I've refilled it. Plug it back in by sliding it down the back. Put my reservoir in, I re-engage the cleaning cycle, and now I'm just going to click it once. So I do a quick click, and now it's going to do a cycle of just flushing water through. See, that's hot water. So we're now flushing the system. If you forget to do this, then your first coffee or hot chocolate will taste slightly bitter. Okay, so let's finish that cycle. Let's open it up again, and we're going to do another quick clean.